Let's go through important settings for your eSIM. Click on the MTX C. In order to use the MTX Connect eSIM, the data roaming settings must be set on all the time. Now go to Mobile Data Network and check if all three APN fields contain the word Internet. Fill in LTE APN if it is missing. You can also customize the label to ease the use of eSIM. Click on the Mobile Plan label. Add your custom label and you are good to go now. You will receive an email to set the password to access the MTX Connect account. To set your password, type your password and click on Set New Password button. You will receive an eSIM activation email. Click on the link to verify email. Now your MTX Connect account is active.